The next tool that we'll go through is the drill. The SeaPerch build uses 2 drill bits, a 3/32 drill bit and a 1/4 inch drill bit. The drill that we're going to use today is a cordless drill. Your toolkits may come with either a cordless drill or a plug into the wall drill. Both of them work fine and work the same way. To do the drilling though, we want something to hold our pieces firm. Trying to do it with one hand holding and working isn't the safest way to be doing this. So what we have in the toolkits are table vices. These vices work by attaching themselves to the table, and then we can put our piece we're working on in the vise. So we'll go ahead and attach this to our table. Okay. Now on the piece, we have already measured out the 2 locations that we want to drill our next 2 holes. So we'll put this piece in the vise with those markings up, and the piece is now ready to have its holes drilled into it. We will put the smallest of the drill bits into our drill. And the reason we're using the small drill bit is to provide what are called pilot holes for the drilling of the larger holes. When you're drilling into a round surface like a piece of pipe, the drill bit will want to walk or move side to side. To ensure a nice clean drill, you'll always want to use a pilot hole. So we'll line up the drill bit on the center of our mark and drill that through just the top surface of the pipe. Now we would go ahead and drill this for all the holes on the piece of pipe that we have in the vise. The next step is to switch to the larger drill bit. And then we will follow the hole we made for the small drill bit right through with the large one. Now in this case, we'll want to drill all the way through the piece of pipe. So making sure that the drill is straight. We've now drilled all the way through the piece of pipe, so we have a straight hole that goes right through the center. The second thing we use the drill for is to drill the vent holes in our elbows on the SeaPerch. To do that, we'll be using the large drill bit that we currently have in our drill. To secure these while we're drilling the holes, we'll use the vise and a spare piece of the PVC pipe and press our elbow onto that. This allows us to drill the holes without having to have our hands near the part as we drill it. We'll simply take our drill, put it from the inside of the PVC, and drill out through the bottom. We remove that, you'll see we now have our hole in the bottom of the PVC elbow. We'll do this for all of the elbows we have on the SeaPerch.